Today, COVID has claimed one of the biggest political personalities in Manila and the whole country. And that is former Manila Mayor Alfredo Fred Soho Lim, who died just a few minutes ago. Mayor Lim cuts a very colorful personality in all aspects of governance. In fact, even romance. In fact, even showbiz. Because a movie was made of his very exciting life. There will be no other politician, no other crime buster, no other colorful personality from Tondo. Well, of course, there is a rising star, Mayor, present Mayor, incumbent Mayor, Isko Moreno. But on the matter of crime, on the matter of national prominence and national politics, Mayor Lim cuts a very strong and dominating figure in Philippine politics. And like Isko, he is a Tondo boy. He was born in 1929 at the Emmanuel Community Hospital in Tondo. And he also studied in Tondo in his elementary years. He gained national prominence as the head of the Western Police District when the agency was still very much respected and was known as the best police district in the country. He gained recognition for fighting the biggest gangs in Manila and for arresting the A-listers of most wanted criminals in Manila. He was a no-nonsense policeman for decades. Because of this, he eventually got a position as director of the National Bureau of Investigation under President Corazon Aquino. He served there from 1989 to 1992. And then, in 1992, he was elected as Manila Mayor, serving for 2 consecutive terms. And then he unsuccessfully ran for president in 1998. But he lost. 2 years later, in 2000, he was appointed by President Estrada as the Secretary of the Interior and Local Government. Well, this too was history because we can still remember him turning his back to President Estrada and joining the people power against the president, the incumbent president then, President Estrada. And then in the 2004 elections, he ran for senator and won. And later he again ran for mayor and won 2 consecutive terms from 2007 to 2013. And then again, binangga na naman niya yung tao na tinalikuran niya nung presidente ito at DILG secretary siya. Tumakbo siya laban kay Mayor President or former President and Mayor Joseph Estrada sa 2013 and 2016 mayoral elections. So, part po ako ng history niyan kasi ako po yung humawak sa communication campaigns ng partido o ng campaign team ni ni Manila Mayor Joseph Estrada, both sa 2013 at saka 2016. Kung maalala po natin, sa dalawang eleksyon na yun, muntik-muntik na niya tinalo si President Estrada by a few thousand lang po, lalo na yung 2016 elections, mga 1,000 plus lang ata ang difference, or less than 5,000. So kahit pa paano po, makikita natin meron pa rin siya residual support and respect from the people of Manila. At syempre po, intertwine or magkadikit or magkasalungat even yung history nila ni incumbent Mayor Isko Moreno, dahil nag-serve si Mayor Isko under Mayor Lim as Vice Mayor. At masasabi po natin na hindi po naging maganda ang relasyon nila, kasi si Mayor Isko po, inexpose niya yung mga kalokohan or hindi magandang programa at pamamalakad ni Mayor Lim sa Manila. At witness po ako mismo sa 2013, nagkasama po kami ni Mayor Isko, at kung saan Vice Mayor pa po siya, at tumakbo siya ulit as Vice Mayor sa 2013, kung saan siya po yung nagkabigay ng malaking contribution sa campaign ni Mayor Joseph Estrada as Mayor. Naalala ko pa po sa mga rallies, si Mayor Isko po ang taga-introduce at taga-dala ng tao, dahil ang galing po mag-speech si Mayor Isko, at alam po natin na malaking bagay po o malaking factor po yung nakaka-deliver ka ng magandang jokes sa tao para hindi sila maboro. At alam natin, joker rin si President Estrada, nako-compliment po kasi yung masa base na yung campaign at speech ni Mayor Isko. So pwede po natin sabihin, kung hindi po dahil sa very strong support at machinery ni Vice Mayor Isko noon, hindi mahirapan po si former Mayor Joseph Estrada na talunin si Mayor Lim. Kasi nga po, 12 years po, hindi po natin pwede, lalo po sa colleges at hospitals na itinayo niya sa termino niya. Alam niyo po na ang Manila, siya lang ang syudad na may 6 hospitals, na kada distrito po, congressional district may hospital. At ilan dito, si Mayor Lim ang nagtayo. At yung Universidad de Manila rin po ata. So yung mga tao na nag-aral sa UDM at saka napakinabangan doon sa mga hospital niya, forever loyal rin po yun sa kanya. Kaso lang po, syempre mas magaling sa kampanya at magaling yung pagdadala, paghihikayat sa boto ni ang now Mayor Isko Moreno. At syempre may star power rin naman po si Mayor Estrada, pero pwede po natin sabihin na bagong salta po siya sa Manila, na kung saan ang lugar po naman talaga niya is San Juan, kung saan naging mayor rin po siya. So lahat ito, Mayor Lim, Mayor Joseph Estrada, and now Manila Mayor Isko Moreno. Kaya kung nakikita nyo po, magaling si Mayor Isko Moreno, dahil 16 years pinaghandaan niya po ito under sa mga mayors na ito. At yun po, medyo nagkaroon po ng lamat yung pagsasama ni Mayor Lim at ngayon Mayor Isko Moreno. Pero maganda po, after nung nanalo na si Mayor Isko, nag-reconcile po sila at nag-offer ng support si Mayor Lim. Kaya kung makikita nyo po, marami rin mga tauhan ni Mayor Lim nandyan kay Mayor Isko. At wala po tayo narinig na anuman masama sinabi ni Mayor Lim kay Mayor Isko. So siya po, hanggang ngayon po, hindi siya makakalimutan ng mga Pilipino po as Dirty Harry. Ito yung movie ni Clint Eastwood na kung saan tough guy talaga siya. So ganoon din po si dating Western Police District, ngayon MPD na po, Manila Police District Chief, Alfredo Lim. At saka siya rin po yung naglagay sa Quiapo na ito po very applicable sa kwan ito, sa mga panahon ito, na yung sinabi rin po niya na the law applies to all, otherwise none at all. So yun po. Goodbye, Mayor Alfredo Lim. We will remember you. Manila will remember you. And the whole country will remember you. As one of the, we cannot compare him to any politician in the past or at the present. Pwera lang po, kay bata rin niya, si Senator Barbers, pero yun naman po, hindi rin po naging mayor. Naging naging congressman from Western Police District, kung saan nakilala rin siya. At pinapunta sa congressman and then senator. So iba si Mayor Lim kasi iba talaga yung colorful political life niya. For once, na-link rin siya romantically kay President Corazon Aquino. So, yun po. Meron rin po movie na ginawan sa kanya na ang title ay Batax ng Maynila, na ang ang lead actor ay namayapa na po rin si Eddie Garcia noong 1995. So yun po, crime, showbiz, local politics, national politics, romance, ando na po kay Manila Mayor Alfredo Lim. So yun po, we extend our condolence to the family, friends, and supporters of former Manila Mayor Alfredo Lim. And also, we extend the same condolence to the people of Manila who love him till the end. So rest in peace, Manila Mayor Alfredo Lim, and thank you for the things you did for Manila and the whole country.